morning, Sunday morning, 8 a.m. Last walk on Arosim beach. Then we go for breakfast and play a bit in the pool. The hotel agreed to give us to let us the room until 2 p.m. So yeah, then shower, maybe we have a light lunch, shower, and then we will go to the airport around 2:33. I mean, leave the hotel. Our flight is at 5, and yeah, back to Bangalore. Have a nice Sunday, everyone. Take care.
Do you love me? Do you not? Either way, you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super blue.
Last slide, let's enjoy it. Let's go! Go! Okay, we make it slow.
Did we stop growing cause it got too hard? You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Forget me not. Either way, you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough.
Okay, these guys is already leaving the room. We go for lunch. It's 1, and then just cab to the airport. Bye bye, ITC Goa. Let's go for lunch. Bye bye room, that I said. Nice room, cool hotel.
I hope we make it.